Okay, now we're gonna walk down the hallway back to the kitchen living area. This closet here to the left has the laundry in it. This closet right here has the air handler. And I'm gonna go take you outside. Okay, and there is a big backyard back here. It is fenced. The fence may need a little bit of work if you're going to have an animal back here, but it's not much. It can be repaired very easily. It looks like there's just one section to my right over here that the wood fence just needs to be reattached, and the chain link fence looks like it's in good enough shape to keep your animal in your backyard. And then there is a storage closet right here in front of me while you're looking at the house. So that's nice. And the AC was also replaced 2 years ago. So the AC is new. The roof was replaced as well. So it's new roof, 2 years old.